Alright, welcome to the third part of this tutorial. What I want to do now is, you see this very picture box in there. I would like to add some images, and to achieve that, what I want to do is, when I click on this, I want the product to be displayed here, and I will also like my own logo to be displayed in there. So what I'm going to do is to go to project, and let's go to, I think that's the name of my product there. Click on that, and the next thing is when this dialog box pops up, let's go to the resources, and inside the resources I'm going to go to my, you see the strings, click on that, select image, and let's come in here and say add existing files. I have my images that I intend to use inside my folder called icon. There, those are the images that I intend to use. So I'm going to select those images. That's my icon there, and then select just all of the images. There we go, all the images are now in place. So I'm going to close. Okay, back on the form. Alright, back on my form. So what I want to do is, maybe I should click on the form load to upload some images into my image box here. So let's double click on the form load. So when I run the system, that's what's going to happen. So let's see my form load. Yeah, there we go. That's my form load there. Form load dot images, or dot image equals my resources dot resources dot, now I need the name of my image. That's it, icon big, that's it right there. So if I run this system now, and right there guys, that's my logo there. So what I'm going to do is, for each of these of this product there, I'm going to add an image to them. So when I click on it, I expect the image to appear there. When I reset, my image should come right there. So that's what I want to do. In the first place, let's go back to my reset there, and inside my resets, let me get my image. So let's get rid of all of this, get rid of this very one, and the form load, copy that. So instead of this, that will reset that. Or we can just comment that out, enter the right image there. Okay, that's the reset. Now let's come in here, double click on the jeans in here. So that is going to be that. So this is going to be dot jeans. There, that's taken care of. Alright, so come to the next one, and that is supposed to be jacket, and this upper one is going to be dot jacket. Let's see, do I have it? I do. Repeat the same thing for the sportswear. Okay, for the sportswear, this is going to be sports, right? Dot sport. Okay, so I will now speed that up now that you guys get the whole idea. So let's speed that up, and I will get back to you guys shortly. Okay, I finished the coding for all the images, so that's all you guys just need to add to the checkbox. Alright, so let's run it and see how it's going to look like. Now the form loads that. So if I click on jeans, there we go, jacket, and so on. So let's come in here, try some other ones on. And guess what, if I uncheck and boot uncheck and there, and let's reset there. That's good. So this is ready, that's ready, and all that is left for us now is to take care of the total and the receipts. This is the receipt area. Right, let's come inside the total. So the first thing is I'll double click on this total, and I will have to declare some variables here. Let's come in here. Those are the variables that I need. So I'm going to copy that so that I can use them to declare a variable, and maybe paste them here. And this is going to start with dim. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's come in here, just say dim jeans as double, and I'm going to give it a price. Let's say it's £25. So that's what I'm going to repeat for the rest. The second one, the same thing. Let's come in here, just copy paste and change the price around. So I'm going to do that for every single component that is right here. So I'm going to speed that up now, if you guys so that I don't waste your time, now that you get the whole idea. Okay guys, all of my variables I declared, and I've also initialized each of the variables. Now let's go. Okay, let's declare one more variable apart from this tax rate. Let's come in here, say dim items, like that. Let's say it's an array, make it as double. Right. Okay, what I would then do is, since I've declared my array, let me go straight in onto my total. Double click on the total right inside the total. So that's going to be item 0 equals, let's look for the very first item, and that is supposed to be this very one, James. So let's come right down here, paste that in there, dot double dot pause, and that is going to be txt jeans dot text. Right, that's the very first one. So the same thing will be repeated for the rest. So let's see the next one. The next one is, let's get rid of this text. Yeah. The next one is coat jacket. Copy all of that. I'll come right down here. As item 1 equals this multiplied by whatever amount of coat jacket we have in there, dot, and that is meant to be txt dot text. Right, I presume you get the whole idea now. So I'm going to speed this up as well and get back to you guys. Okay guys, these are those are the lines of code for that I'm going to be using in this very total. Each of the item and the price is now assigned to all of each of the arrays. So let's come into item 17. So within item 17 we're going to add up the following, each of those items. So this, everything in here, plus the next one, plus Okay, that's 1, 2, 3. Let's add up one more. And another one. Okay, we have in total here. Okay, let's just make it 5 because I have 5, 5. No, that's 4. Okay, that's 17. Now copy this. The next one is going to be 18. And that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 9. Okay, so I'm going to have to increase the size of my arrays though. So because the other one, I'm actually carrying out the calculation based on the design I have in here. I have 5, 5, 4, 4. That's what's happening in there. Okay, with the 4s, there will be 4, and that will be 4, and with this one will become 10, 11, 12, and 13. We have 14 here, 15, 16, and 17. Now let's see, the size of my array is 20, so maybe I should make it 22 because I'm going to need more of those. Okay, come right down here. So this one is 19 and 20. So within item 21, that is where I will now sum up everything that I have in here. 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. So this is 18, 19, and 20. There we go. Now I think I'm gonna have to increase this array again. I might as well just make it, let's go for 25. I can always reduce and do whatever I like. Okay, now let's come in here. Let's say we have array 22. Array 22 equals, this is meant to be for the tags, but before I do that, let's get rid of that first. We need to work out, I need to write a function for my tags. So right here, let me create my, maybe let's paste it right over here. Okay, that is my array. Oh sorry, that's my function for my tags. Let's see, why do I have an error? Tax rate, or what did I call it? Oh, that's wrong spelling. Yeah, tax rate. So hopefully that's fine now. Yeah, inside my tax rate, let's come in here now. I'm now going to say item 22 equals C find tags there, and that is my item 22 sorted. So that will officially work out my tax rate. So all I then need to do is txe tax equal tax.text equals, I can always format, I believe, equals, what am I formatting? It's going to be item 22 item 22 there. So that should give me the tags. So now let's come in here to work out that of subtotal. Maybe copy this subtotal txt subtotal equals that, and in this case we have 21. But this one, okay, that's correct, that's for tax. We have 21 there. This is dot tax, dot text again. And finally, the next one is going to be, undo that. The next one is going to be txt, let's say tax, oh sorry, total dot equals, I will now copy all of this. Let's copy that, paste that in there, and let's add the next one, which is this one here. There, so let's say plus here, and that should give me the total. Let's add another one here. There, that's the total taken care of. So let's run that, but before I run it, you guys have a look at it. That's a function that works out the tax, and in here all of the amount is added onto the arrays. Okay, so if I run it now, okay, let's see how it works. So enter something there. That's incorrect value entered. Okay, then let's click on total. There we go, guys. That's fine, working as expected. So all that is left for us to do now is to be able to click on the receipt, and we get our receipts. Okay, let's take care of that. That shouldn't take too long. So come back to our form here, double click on the receipt. Okay guys, let's have a look at the lines of code for, right, so those are the lines of code for the receipt. So I'm going to run it so that you guys see how it works anyway. There, so let's select, so alright, let's enter correct value in there. Alright then, click on total there, and let's check out the receipt. There we go, guys. Okay, so what I just need to do now is to maybe readjust all of these buttons, and we can call it the end of the program. So let's come in here, just make a little modification to those buttons. Right, move this one over here, that's exit. Well guys, I suppose you all enjoy it, so I'm gonna call it the end of this program. So let's just run it again before I call it bye for now. There we go, guys. So we enter some value in there, and we can just call it the end of this program. So the receipt works, the reset works as well, as you've just seen. So try out the total and receipt. There we go, guys. So I'm gonna call it the end of this program. I suppose you guys enjoyed. You all have a nice day, and bye for now.